Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for some really cute cards, go old school because Current has cards that are available in an anniversary and wedding pack. I really love this awesome, really cute pack of cards. You get 20 cards with this pack and they are 5x7 size. They do come with coordinating envelopes. All of the colors on them are really vibrant. You can see that they're made with that nice heavy duty cardstock. And I like that some of them leave more room for something to say, but then others have a little bit more in their writing. The cards have a really nice picture on all of the front, and on the inside you can see the words. There's lots of room thanks to that 5x7 size so that you can write your own message. And the envelopes as well are generously sized so that you can write clearly the address and stamp them and send them on their way. This is a really nice variety pack that comes with an assortment of really pretty cards that you could send to someone. And it's nice to be able to have a nice selection so that you can pick the one you want for that special couple. If you're looking for a great pack of cards, check them out. You will not be disappointed, but that's just my point of view.